Hey everybody, first trade month in the MOJO Day Trading Show. How's everybody doing today? The MOJO Day Trading room right here. It's October 19th. We're right now in our fifth trade of the day, which is the UVXY, and it's biting the dust.
It's really biting the dust, the UVXY. So we got to spark some life into that. The market's crazy. So this is what we traded today in the MOJO Day Trade Room. We had a great morning, and now we need the stock to recover the nice gains that we had for the day. The first trade we had today was Twitter, which is $17.26 high. We traded that off the open. That was the first trade today. And if you scroll back, it made a really nice move right here from 9:30. Oh, no, that's UV. Let's go to Twitter. So Twitter right here made a nice move from 9:30, from 16.90 all the way up without stopping to 17.25. And then we hit UVXY also in the morning right here on the open from 15.30 all the way up here to 15.64. We rebought it back here at 15.44 and sold it back over 15.50 again. And it made a beautiful run to a top of 15.75. And then we bought it back again, which was right here at started at 38 and it came down. We bumped down here on UVXY. Went back up to 44. We sold right there. And this is what I'm going to show you today. And then the people that didn't sell there rode it all the way down. It went up again. It came down, went up again to 44. And then it's down to where it is now. So if you didn't ride this wave, we bought and sold. Okay, and then we bought and sold, and now we're in here again. And there was one other time in here that we bought and sold. And it's not conducive either as was yet, but we didn't trade this yesterday. Thought it would be easier to trade it today. It was down $1.39 yesterday, down 87.88 today, down 5.4%. I figure if it comes back 1.4%, and it's only down 4%, that puts it at 15.35. And that's where everybody owns it. So we're down 20 cents on UVXY right now in a trade. We also had this morning this stock INFN, which we own right here, has not done anything. It's still sitting at the same price. We passed on the CERU, which was great. So this one we would have owned up here at 150. It's at $1. We didn't trade that one. I'm going to take it off my screen. We didn't trade eBio, taking that off. Got destroyed. VRX we were going to trade right off the bottom down here, but I missed the big bar and I didn't want to chase after that. It came all the way down, but retraced back up. BANC we didn't trade. AMRS was a swing from yesterday. And you have Sun Edison today, which is up 51% for the swing. Made a really nice move on Sun Edison today. That decided to make a move. Hill Natural Resources is moving for Mojo Swing, up 5.6% on that one. PDEX is only up 1%. AXGN is flat. This is Mexico Energy. We have it $3.95 is $4.55 by $4.73. Gevo we sold for a loss. Hold on a second. We got someone at the Moj. I'll be right back. All right. So that's what went on with that. So this is the lesson right here in day trading that we're going over the swing picks. Fuel triggered on fuel right here. Here's the daily chart on fuel. We've got a 3-day move on fuel. It's very nice on this SC socket mobile we have. We have Jive software. Every swing pick is doing very well. 3-day move on Zixi now. CLSLT is also a 3-day move. RNWK hasn't really done anything. Assure was testing highs yesterday, and TRHC made a move for us right from here through 13, went to $14. ASUR hung up at 705 yesterday. RNWK yesterday went to 490, hasn't made its move yet. This one did. We got here, look, 415, 435. Zixi made the move through this day right here through 410. We got it there. Now it's 419. Jive's making a move up, and that's how it works. So Twitter hopefully will continue to go higher, and UVXY will not bite the dust. Better not take me for everything that I have and kick me out of my home, man. Better go up because the market sucks. Penny pincher at 15, signal at 90. Here we go. Another one bites the schmecky. So there you go. That's the Mojo action right there. Here's the room for today and the picks we've done. It's me in the Mojo Day Trade room. You can do a free try. We did INFN, did nothing. So we're tracking the Dow right here. Dow, let's retrack the Dow. Dow tracker 75, puts it at 1542. Dow tracker 84. So we're lagging behind. We got a move to go. We were at, let's see, before we were tracking the Dow. Dow up 55. Dow up 75. Figures I don't get a call all day until I'm making a video. Dow 75, 42. INFN, nope. It was 75. It was 542. Dow tracker 75. At 70, it was 532. So if it falls 10, we go up 10. But here's the earlier trades right here. UVXY, first trade of the day, 1555. Added average 1557. UVXY, average 53. 9, that was we sold, and we bought it back 27. Average 38. Profitable now at 40. Sold it there. I sold only 500. Then it went higher into 75. UVXY filled 534. This is here, right here. UVXY filled 534. Rebuy Twitter at 17. Sold Twitter. UVXY new high 1545. UVXY new high 1553. Rebuy what you sold. Again, right there. And then it went a new high again on UVXY, new high on Twitter. Both stocks we have are in our favor. Focus and stay with it. And right there, we were pretty much done for the day. And then UVXY highest sale was 1562. And then we traded it a couple of more times. And now we're in it one more time. And we own it at an average of about 1535. We're down 20 cents in UVXY. Which in the scope of things in the market is not that shabby at all. Market's up 88, ask me why, I don't know why. We were pressing 18,000 right here, look at this. I mean, this is whenever you're down in a stock, would it ever come back up for you like that on a flash of devastation? Who the hell bought that thing? It went to 17,959. Like, we're not going to retest that? Give me a break. Let me show you this one chart on Twitter that I put up. Sent out to all the subscribers. So definitely follow me on Twitter because I'm live now on Periscope. So I did a special report right here. Some other newsletters have been following along saying they did a special report on the marijuana industry, and it's fine and dandy. Fine and dandy, no problem. I did mine on May 4th of 2016. The first one, the one before that was a year earlier and 5 months earlier. And I spoke about the two stocks that we have, which is MGNA and PHOT. And I spoke about the industry, medical marijuana. Here's why I like that. And there's the chart right there at 5 cents. Today it's almost up 100% from there. And here's the next one, Grow Life, PHOT, at right there, but it dropped down to, we owned it at 0.009. And right now it's back at right there. So if you look, PHOT is right here. We bought it right here on this dip at 0.09 range right here on this dip, and it's up 100%. And then you have MGNA, which we bought here at 5 cents, and that's 9 cents. That's up 100% too. A couple of other ones I had liked was Cara, C-A-R-A, which is a therapeutic side, also made a big move. Let me show you the charts on these. So this is Cara. This is MGNA right here, which we owned at 5 cents, and now it's doubled to 9. PHOT we owned right here at 9 cents. It dipped, but then it made a huge run, and now it's doubled for us, up 100%. Sun Edison also, first one right here, ran to 11. We bought it back here at 6, and now it ran to 13, up another 100% for MOJO traders, all within 1 month. So deceivingly enough, these small ones look like some beautiful winners this month, really on the small side. We got rid of Givo. I bought it here at 41 with a stop at 40, sold it there, it went to 36. So we look good getting out, but now it's rebound crazily up to 47. I don't know why, but we lost 2 cents on Givo. And that's how that rolled. So the Dow's up 84. It was just up 90. UVXY held at 1515 as the Dow went up 10 more points. So here's what I think is happening with the tag along. You have TVIX, which is going to make a move. It was at 1675 by 80, almost trying to push 17. I think this goes and pushes 17. Brings UVXY back to 1550. VXX makes a move towards 33. See the low, 32.53. That's the end. It's going to now it's going to make a move back towards 33, and it's going to bring UVXY back into the 20s and the 30s. And then you have right here SVXY, which made a move through 75 straight up to 84 without stopping, and now it's teetering at a top, making a reverse. And here's your top, and here's your Cupid top. We look for a bar down in the reverse, and that'll spike up VXX, TVIX, and UVXY. On the other side is XIV. XIV right here went through 39 and ran through 38 right here. Boom, and ran all the way to 38.92 without stopping, and is in the same top pattern. This is called the left shoulder right here. That's called the left shoulder. Right there. And then it makes the head right here. And this is the right shoulder. And everybody shorts on the right shoulder. And it goes down. UVXY has a triple bottom, quadruple bottom pattern right here. It's gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times on the 5-minute bar. So it's formulated a base pattern to go up to refill in the gap right here. There's a lot of air that needs to get filled. Nugget we passed right up here. Here's that pattern. So you have your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder, which you're shorting on, and see what happens, how it keeps on going down. Same exact thing that's going to happen right there to those stocks I just showed you. Same pattern. You buy right here. You sell here. And that's what happens. See, if you chase, you buy here when it drops. You sell, sell, sell. You did great. This you didn't pay for. And that's the end of it. So there's 20 days to trade. Watch. Every month, there's 20 days to trade. Now, you try to win all 20 of them, which is great. If you win 18 out of 20 days, it's still great. You try to make, I'd say it's an average of 3. 3 of the 20 days are the star days of the month. You'll do your best. You'll have that one stock or that one run you're in that's just astronomical. Okay, beautiful. Then you have 10 days that are normal. Smooth sailing, cheers with the coffee, beautiful normal days. You make your 1 to 5%. Here, you're making 10% on your account on those days, plus you make a sick day. Then you have 7 days that are abnormal. Abnormal. By the way, cheers everybody. Nice to see you all on the scope. So we have 7 days that are abnormal right here. And you have to deal with them because they could be wild, crazy days up, wild, crazy days down, or wild maneuvers up and down, like so forth. Okay? And I just drew that. So there's 20 days to trade. Try to win as much as you can. Make the most out of those trades and do that. Let me show you what happened with UVXY. We owned it at 15.35, and I'm trying to coach my traders, Pro Trader V, who had 1,300 shares, and the stock went to 15.44. And I'm like, dude, you're up 100. It went to 45, 46. He was up 140. Then it flashed back to 120. I said, if it goes to 42, sell at least 800 shares. Lock in $100 profit. Then if it drops, we'll be patient and we'll tap it, tap it, tap it. You'll rebuy back your 800 shares. And instead of owning it at 15.35, you'll own it at 15.25. And you'll have 1,300 to 1,500 shares. And then when it runs back up to 35, you're up 10 cents. 130 bucks again. And you do the same thing. If it goes higher, you still have 500 and you create a new zone. If it goes lower, you rebuy again, but you don't sit there and don't press the button. That's not how you a day trade. That's a swing trader. You gotta keep on pressing the buttons. And that's it. So that's the 20 days. You got to take advantage of the movements in the stock and keep on holding a little bit and trading it. And let me show you what a bump trade is. So we owned it at 15.35. It just dropped. We had 1,000 or 2,000 share position. That's the sequencing in that we did on the way down. And it went lower. to 1509, and I put in a buy that said anything under 1520, we're going to do what's called a bump trade. I'm already down $1,000. My stop loss is 1501. I would lose $2,000. So here's the deal. Almost $2,000. So like that. I say, here's the deal. I'm already down a G. Take the loss right now. Take the loss. So this is, hold on. I can pull this up. So you're down 1,000. You can take the loss at 1515 or bump it. And if it goes back up to 1530, you lose nothing. If it goes back down to 1501, sell it and you lose 1,500. You lose $2,000. I'll do that all day long. That's called a bump trade. 8 out of 10 times, it goes higher. 2 out of 10 times, it'll go lower. And that's the deal. And that's what I did for a bump trade. If you win, you win. If you lose, you lose. It's the name of the game. And the Dow's retracting a little bit. We were just at 90. We're at 76 with a head and shoulders. We're coming down the other direction right now. There's your head and shoulders. See? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Here we go, baby. Put your skirt on, baby. Put your skirt on, baby. You ain't staying up here for Hillary. Time to make a poop. Time to poop. Time to poop. UVXY 1512. UVXY LOD 1510. Right there. This has got to be the basement. Got to be the basement. Right here. Okay. Market's going to poop right there. Get ready. UV 1512. Ready to fill in a little gap on the upside right here. Twitter's dying a hard die at 1705. DGAS is doing a little strength up 4 or 5 cents. The market's really not doing nothing. It's just tweetering around. It was just up 90. It's lost 15 points. There's a delay in UV. There's got to be a 5-minute lag delay, and it's going to explode. It's got to. Dow fell 15. UV hasn't done a bit. S&P fell a little bit too. See? S&P's fallen. That's what UV is. UV is the opposite of the S&P. So here's the S&P. Make a PP, S&P. So you got your head. You got your shoulder. All right, right there. And you got your skirt. Go make a little P. Little PP down there. Drop it down, baby. Did it right here. Look. Left shoulder. Head. Right shoulder. Short. Ooh, took a huge dump. It's a smelly dump. Dow's up 75. We needed to make a little dump. Like that. Dump. UV's 12. Sucks. Come on, UV. Don't bite the dust. 11. Done, done, done.
For the last time, no.
Better not.
No.
Mm-hmm. So this is a mountain. And we're going to fall off the edge of the mountain. All right, all kidding aside, you want to see what it's going to do? See this pattern? Watch. You like charts? Watch. See this big, huge pattern? Let me go to the daily chart. Check this out. Look at the Dow. It's doing shit. Okay, look at Intel. You don't think this is the tip of the iceberg? Look what happened to Intel. This is the warning shot. Hear it? Here's your warning shot. See it? There's your warning shot. Just like that. See that? Warning shot. So that's a beautiful thing. I got some calls coming in. I got some things to get over, to do. So let's just watch this baby right here. The Dow's just sitting what it is. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Thanks for watching today. Pick it up tomorrow. Peace. It was a good lesson.